Hello, Healthy Life Hackers. Today I have a little tutorial for you. If you regularly drink Bulletproof Coffee or Tim Ferriss's titanium tea, essentially coffee or tea mixed with butter and MCT oil or coconut oil, you've probably realized that Tim Ferriss's method of making his titanium tea on the road leaves you with this kind of non-homogenized globular tea and butter and coconut oil strange combination. And if you drink Bulletproof Coffee, you've probably seen that Dave Asprey has quite the process that he goes through, including a blender, in order to get the perfect cup of Bulletproof Coffee. Well, today I'm going to show you how, with a simple kitchen hack, which I actually introduced last week, you can make a perfect cup of Bulletproof Coffee or titanium tea, either on the road or in your own kitchen. So right now what I'm working with, you'll see I've got my butter already in a mason jar with a standard whisk ball. I've got my MCT oil, and I've actually got a coffee herbal blend here. I'm already pretty well caffeinated for the day, so I don't need any more coffee in my life. So I like to use the AeroPress. It really travels well, but you can have whatever method of coffee or tea brewing you like. You're going to brew the coffee or tea. This is the hard part, pressing an AeroPress. Once you're done brewing, the next step, we're going to pour the hot liquid in with the butter and the MCT oil. We're going to get a cap